Welcome to our latest project. This is going to give you a general idea of what we plan to do with this old house. Not much can be done with this living room, as you can see, because, well, it's pretty perfect. That firebox, however, that'll be replaced because it's pretty broken. We're going to redo the wall wainscoting, and that color's going to be different. Let's start the tour by opening that bathroom door. So, here's the guest bathroom. You could see that tub right there. Well, that's being replaced with something more fitting to the early 1900s. That toilet, wait till you see the toilet that gets replaced with. And here on the floor, we'll be installing hexagonal tiles with colored borders that would complement the colors that she's going to use throughout the bathroom. Come on into the kitchen and we'll show you what we're going to do in there. These walls were replaced at some point with some exterior TNG, and we're going to bring those back to the 1913 look. All these cabinets come out, and especially those floor tiles you see on the countertops. The plastic sinks coming out and being replaced with a farmhouse, and that commercial faucet definitely being replaced. Oh, hey, behind here, wait till you see what happens in that little room. Here's a better view of the working triangle. We're going to be popping in a dishwasher right to the left of that plastic sink. The kitchen counters, they're going to be hexagonal tiles with beautiful black borders on them. That single shelf, that comes out, and we're going to get something a lot nicer in there. Even though this is a nice stove right here, wait till you see what she has in mind with that. Follow me upstairs to the master bathroom. Currently it's just one big room, but we're going to partition it off, and on that back wall there's going to be some tin ceiling shingles with some Pillsbury Doughboy typed porcelain tub shower valve combination over a copper tub. To the left of that tub we're going to have a leaded glass window, and that's going to be sitting over a copper tanked toilet. And old fixtures are going to be throughout.